this video, we'll cover the slip and slide tool. Slip and slide sounds like a rap duo, but these are actually super handy tools. While editing, you can find them both in the toolbar. Now, I already went ahead and put some clips in my timeline, and we'll start off with the slip tool, or Y on your keyboard. The slip tool will affect the in and out point of a clip without affecting the surrounding clips, so you can click and drag your cursor onto the clip, either left or right. And if you do this, you will notice 4 screens in your program panel. The top screens indicate the in and out point of the adjacent clips. The bottom screens are the in and out points of the clips you're altering. So this is a really handy tool to change the selection of a clip in your timeline. Next, we have the slide tool, or U on your keyboard. And this will do the opposite of the slip tool. It will alter the in and out point of your adjacent clips without affecting the selected clip. It's basically just gonna move your clip without adding a gap in your edit. So if I slide this clip onto the right, you will notice that the left clip lengthens and the right one shortens. Again, you will see 4 screens in the program panel when doing this, but this time the bottom left is the out point of the left clip, and the bottom right screen is the in point of the right clip. The upper 2 screens are the unaffected in and out points of your selected clip. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, then slip and slide into the comment section. And if you're interested in learning even more, I would suggest sliding in the description.